Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. In this case it's not a remake because I didn't do that spiral staircase before in Fusion 360. There's still no real helix in Fusion 360, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is that if you want to use a pattern along a path, you could only go identical orientation or path direction, and that would not help in any way. So I came up with a different solution, and now let's have fun with Fusion 360. Okay, let's start with a sketch, maybe on that plane. Let's go for a circle. This diameter could be 200. Then I need two lines to get the shape of my step. Trim, add an angle, and that might be 20 degrees. Finish that sketch, make an extrude, make it 20 for example. Now let's go for a circular pattern. This object, and the axis would be this one, and I need 18 instances. Then go for a rectangular pattern, and I want to pattern all those objects. Direction would be the same axis like before. I need 18 instances, and the distance should be 20 in between, spacing, and only one in the other direction. Let's confirm. Takes a while, and now you have to or should hide some of these. Okay, 41, yes, and press Ctrl and select the other ones. Don't need the faces here. No, this went wrong. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. So let's start one over. And because, yeah, you have to press Control, and then you have to press Shift, and if you mess it up, you have to do it all over again. And I've already told you it would be sort of tedious, but there is no really easy way to do it in a different way that I can think of. Now let's go here and hide. Now I want to make a union with all those here, so go for Combine, select maybe this one as Target and all the other ones as Tools, and confirm. Now I can hide that body here. And select all the others. Make them visible and make a union. And OK. Let's go for another sketch on this plane. Again, a circle. Diameter maybe 60. Finish that sketch, go for an extrude and make it 18 times 20 millimeter. And of course it should not be cut, it should be a join, and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.